सर पे तो चढ़ी है जब से दिल को ये बुखार है, दिल कब से रो रहा है, इसे तेरा इंतजार है, तेरा इंतजार है, एक मुलाकात जरूरी।
Hello guys, welcome to this channel of Genius Classes. My name is Arvind Gupta. In previous lecture, we have already discussed about female reproductive system. In this lecture, we will be discussed about hymen. Hymen is a thin membrane which is present in the vagina and towards the vaginal orifice. Hymen is ruptured due to a sport such as horseback riding, cycling, and also ruptured due to sex. Hymen are present in various female or different time, in which such type of hymen are most important. First one, imperforate hymen. In this type of hymen, a teeny hole or a small hole are present in this membrane, and in this hole or by this hole, the menstrual cycle liquid are come out from the vagina. Second one is called anal hymen. In this type of hymen, a big hole are present in membrane and the liquid which are present in uterus are come out from this hole. Third type of hymen is called septate hymen. In this type of hymen, double hole are present in membrane and these are most development hymen, and we can say that the liquid come out from uterus by this hole. After that, cerebriform hymen are present in such type of female. In this type of hymen, various holes are present in this membrane and all liquids or menstrual cycle liquids or bad blood are come out from various type of holes, that means cerebriform hymen. Last type of hymen is called parasymptotus. In this type of hymen, a large hole are present in hymen and this type of hymen are present in that female which are sexually inactive. This type of hymen are ruptured due to cycling, horseback riding, and also ruptured due to sexual activity. After that, the indication of virginity. Or we can say that in other language, the rupture of hymen is not indication of virginity or sexual presentation. That means in our social media, we are present in the virginity or sexual presentation are not indication of rupture of hymen. Okay, thanks.